Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, guess what? Just take a guess. Take a guess on where I am going today. Just guess. I'm gonna go see BLACKPINK. So I'm gonna go see BLACKPINK with my best friend Robert. We came all the way to Vegas for this show. So I'm gonna do a little get ready with me, a little vlog, and I'm also gonna open my Lightstick. I bought a Lightstick last night, so I'm gonna open that in this video. Oh, I'm so excited. Like, I don't think I've been this excited for a concert in a hot minute. So let's get started. So first I'm gonna put this on because this is a must. Whew. Oh jeez. Yeah, no one clipped this, thank you. An agua de sandía. I would be listening to BLACKPINK right now, but I don't want to get copyrighted. So here's my little makeup bag. I actually already put like my moisturizer and stuff on today, so we don't need to do any of that. But what we do need to do is like our primer and foundation and everything else. So also I got this little mirror, and this is how I'm gonna get ready. And the lighting here sucks. Let me open this window actually. Also, we just got like a severe thunderstorm warning, so hopefully this concert still happens, because if it doesn't, I'm gonna be very upset. First, we're gonna do my base. I'm just gonna use the e.l.f. Putty Primer, the Maybelline Perfector thing, and then the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. And then after all that, I'm gonna put the e.l.f. concealer on. Actually, while this sits, I'm gonna fix my eyebrows. I'm gonna get on my knees, bro. We're getting up close and personal. And then we'll do some concealer first. So the base is completely on. How do we feel? I don't know how I feel yet, just because the lighting here is not the best. Now that that is on, I'm going to do, I think, my eyeshadow. Yeah, we're gonna do eyeshadow first. So actually I need to go get the palette, so BRB. I have the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. She is a day one. We use her almost every single time we do eyeshadow. First, I'm gonna take the shade Burnt Orange and just use this as like a base. Okay, right here. Just because you want your eyeshadow to kind of sit on something, build on something, because if not, it's just gonna be building on like your skin color and it might not look as pigmented as you'd like it to be. Next, I'm gonna take Burnt Orange and I'm gonna put that like on the outer part just to darken up. So next, we're gonna take another brush, go into Rustic, I think. No. I'm gonna dip into Sienna. We're gonna do a little bit of her on the outer part just to deepen the outer part, you know? So I'm kind of just placing it on, and then I'm gonna go back with the same brush and blend it out a little bit better. So now This is the fun part, okay? I'm gonna take this eyeliner brush and I'm gonna dip into Noir, I think that's how you pronounce it, the black shade. And we're gonna do the eyeliner with eyeshadow because I honestly like that a little better. It's a little easier for me. I like how you can smoke it out.
Hey guys, can I come in the vlog?
Yeah, come sit with me.
Oh, so I just wanted to pop in.
Oh.
That sky looks dark.
Yeah.
Hi guys.
Rob's
Whoa,
here.
not the cinematic mode.
Yeah, it's so nice.
Enhancing all my acne, thank you.
Oh. The eyeliner looks pretty good. And plus we're gonna like blend it out and make it smoky, so it honestly doesn't have to be perfect. Ooh, that kind of hurt. Oh my god, those, hold on. No. So now, I'm gonna blend it out. I'm gonna mess it all up, basically. Well, this part, only the outside. The inside, I'm gonna leave by itself. Oh, jeez. And also, I forgot to do this. I'm gonna put eyeshadow like under my eyes. And then I'm gonna take like a darker brown and kind of blend that shadow in with the black.
I know.
I'm gonna take like some concealer. I'm just gonna clean this up. I kind of want to put some of this pink in my inner corner, but I don't have a brush that can do that. Okay, I think this kind of eats actually. Oh, you can't even see it on camera. No. So that's the eye look. We're done. We're done. What do we think? What do we think? Comment down below. I'm gonna do the rest of my face makeup because this video is gonna end up being like 3 hours long if I show you every step.
When you're ready.
Okay guys, so I forgot to film the hair part, but I just curled it so you guys didn't really miss anything. Okay, OOTD, dress is from Windsor. Shoes are from Poshmark. Well, they're docs, so. And then socks are from Target. You can barely see them, but they're pink. So. I have these necklaces. This one is from a store at the mall here. I honestly don't know what it was called, so that's my bad. And then this one's from Mexico. And then these earrings are also from Windsor. So, yeah. Rob, you wanna do your OOTD? Literally, like, they're gonna think I'm part of the group.
You can probably start.
Cricket. That is my outfit, and Rob is gonna do an OOTD in just 1 second. Give him a second. And like the back of the dress. Woo! Hide your boyfriends, hide your boyfriends. And me. That was, I'm gonna actually delete this whole clip. So here's my boyfriend. I'm forcing him to come with me today. You eat.
Alright, so what's going on here is I got this headband from Claire's and I tried covering up the no haircut because I couldn't get a haircut after. And then this is the chain that my grandma gave me. I was just in St. George, Utah, so yeah. This is the BLACKPINK shirt that we got yesterday
At the merch truck.
at the merch truck. And yeah, that's it. Pants, I got these from the thrift store, and then I wear my 97s everywhere because it's the only shoes I really have.
Now it's time to do the
Oh.
Lightstick unboxing. So let's do that. So while Rob looks for his perfume, I'm gonna do a Lightstick unboxing. This was a lot of money, so I will be carrying it around with me for the next 3 months. Woo! Here it is. Wow.
I'm sure.
What?
That stinks with the music.
What? Duh.
It just like
Yeah.
you're a little bit new.
Okay, we got it on. It's on, so play something.
I say fuck it.
Hey guys, so it's been a hot minute since I've seen you guys last. We're at the concert now. Okay guys, so to start at 8:30, but it's 8:46, so I don't know what's going on. Also, we took some cute pictures, so I'm gonna insert those right now. There you go. So here is our view. Here's a better video of our, or a clip of our view. So they'll be right there. That is our view, and we will see you guys when it starts. full. Hey guys, so I thought I should a little update. It's the next day and the concert's over and we're so sad. Rob already left, so it's just me waiting for my flight, which is at 1. But my checkout's at 10. But I'm gonna go straight to the airport at checkout because I'll explore at the airport. I don't know. I just don't want to, you know the vibes. But yeah, that is all for today's video. If you like Blackpink, give this video a thumbs up. Or if you like my video, give this video a thumbs up. The concert was so fun. We were just vibing the whole time, and it's a whole experience. Like their concert is it's a whole production experience. I'm about to leave, so I wanted to wear my merch. So let me show you guys. Can you guys see? I'm probably really far away, but I got the shirt, and then I have like this skirt from Target, and then I have my normal shoes, and then the pink socks I wore yesterday for the concert. But yeah, what do we think? I got an XL so that I can wear it at the gym because I like wearing oversized shirts to the gym, and I'm so excited to wear this because this is so cute. But yeah, that is all for today's video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below any other videos or maybe concerts you want to see. You know, I'm always down for a concert. So like, if there's a certain concert y'all want to see and you think I'd be down to go, let me know and I'll go and vlog it. But yeah, that is all, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.